Hello, all my lovely people. I have a request to ask. I have recently been dealing with this issue, coding issue, obviously, and I am looking for a little bit of guidance, a little bit of help. Preferably, specifically, like it's with Flutter, but if you code at all, if you do this in JavaScript, if you do this with Android, whatever, um, anything helps, honestly, because I'm currently stuck and trying to figure it out. So the current problem that I'm dealing with is um, in my app, the idea is or the current issue that I'm dealing with is that if you background your app, you start to listen for if other apps are brought into the foreground or other apps are opened, right? How exactly do I listen for another app to open? Because I've been searching Reddit, I've been searching Stack Overflow, and it just people keep telling me that it's like a privacy and security concern, whatever. But then I go into the app store and I see apps that do it. So what exactly am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to leave a background task in the background, like when my app is backgrounded? And if that's the case, then what exactly do you do to not have the app terminated by by background watchers? So on Android and iOS, there are certain programs like built into the OS that will terminate the app if it's using too much CPU or it's just like doing too many things in the background and it's causing performance issues. How how do you mitigate that? And how do you have it where background tasks are constantly going on in the background? So how do you stop the app from terminating, and how do you have the background task periodically just calling functions every like few seconds, or like do the if you can't do the solution where you detect if an app is open. Like this is the alternate solution. So obviously the best solution would be if I can just detect if an app is opened. Like if an app is opened, it signals to my Flutter app and it says, okay, a new app was open, check certain parameters or check usage data, which you can do. You can look at usage data. Um, if you and if we can't do that, if there are privacy and security concerns, like how can we have a background task that's always on that will just that will just be on perpetually, um, even if the device is restarted. um, how do we have that task continue to go in the background? um, and for people that are like, oh well, if the device is off, it'll like terminate the program. No, there are like certain things, at least on Android, where you can continue to run the task, um, even even like it'll like put it on a backlog and then it'll continue running, or it'll be scheduled when you restart your device. That's on Android. I don't know about iOS yet, but we're currently working on the Android side. So I'm open to Android native solutions, preferably if you know how to do it on Flutter, and uh, also on the same token as native Android solutions. If you do it in JavaScript and you work with cross platforms, that would also help. So yeah, let me know. Um, I, I swear I'll make better content, or maybe you like this content. But yeah, let me know. Thanks for the help, and I will see you guys in the next one. Subscribe for more coding content or whatever content I'm doing, tech content.